Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very useful feature inside the Uber app that can help keep your rides more secure and safe. If you've ever worried about getting into the wrong car or just want an extra layer of protection during your trips, then this feature is definitely for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Uber and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. This is important because some features may not appear if you're using an older version of the app. Once your app is updated, go ahead and open the Uber app. Now, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on the account option. After that, tap on Settings. Here, you'll see different options related to your account and ride preferences. Scroll down a little until you find the option called Verify Your Ride. Tap on it, and now you'll see the option to enable ride PIN verification. Simply turn this feature on. Now, whenever you book a ride, Uber will generate a unique PIN for you. Before your trip starts, you'll need to share this PIN with your driver. This ensures that you are getting into the correct vehicle and adds an extra layer of safety to your ride. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.